Hi everyone, welcome back. If you've ever had a client send you a photo of red, swollen eyes the morning after an appointment, you know that mini heart attack feeling. Is it an allergy? Is it just irritation? And most importantly, what do we do now? As a former nurse turned lash artist, I look at this situation through a medical lens. Today, I'm going to teach you exactly how to tell the difference, the science behind why they happen, and how to handle each case safely. First, let's talk about irritation. This is a localized reaction. It's not your immune system attacking. It's a physical response to an external factor. Usually, it's the cyanoacrylate fumes. Cyanoacrylates hunts for moisture. If the client's eyes weren't fully closed or if you used too much adhesive, the fumes hits the eyeball itself, causing a mild chemical burn on the conjunctiva. Let's see how to identify it. First, let's see timing. It happens immediately or within a few hours. Appearance. The redness is usually at the bottom of the white of the eye, here on the sclera. Sensation. It feels like sand in the eye or a slight sting. Duration. It's gone in 24 to 48 hours. No swelling involved. Now let's see what is an allergy. An allergy is a completely different beast. This is a type 4 delayed hypersensitivity reaction. Your client's immune system has decided that the adhesive is a foreign invader. The scary part, allergies can develop anytime. Someone can wear lashes for 5 years and suddenly wake up with an allergy. It's accumulative. How to identify it? First, timing is delayed. It usually showed up 24 to 72 hours later. Appearance, we call this puffy eyes or donut eyes. The eyelids are swollen, red, and sometimes weeping. Sensation, here the hallmark sign is itching, a deep maddening itch right at the lash line. Duration, it won't go away until the allergen, in our case the lashes, are removed. Why does it matter? As professionals, we must never play doctor. If it's an allergy, do not tell your client to just take an antihistamine and wait. Why? Because repeated exposure to an allergen can lead to more severe reaction. If she's allergic, the lashes must come off. Use a cream remover. Why? Because inflamed skin has a compromised barrier. A liquid or a gel remover might seep into the eyes or pores and cause a secondary chemical burn. Safety first. How to minimize risks. Nanomisting to cure fumes instantly and ensuring perfect isolation so no adhesive touches the skin. Knowledge is power. When you can explain the science to your clients, you're not just a technician. You are an expert they can trust. If you found this medical breakdown helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, have you ever had to deal with a severe allergen reaction? Let's discuss. See you in the next one.